A business owner being a partner being a business owner, he can create his own employees in the site from this section. So what is a employee? Employee is a user that will be part of the partners team. Employee could be an agent or employee could be an accountant. Okay, so what is an role of an agent and what is the role of an accountant? An agent is someone who will work as a salesperson for the partner, and he will have the option to go out in the market and get the businesses listed in the site, and on behalf of the partner he can collect the payment offline and get the businesses listed on the website. Or if any business owner wants, he can also make the payment using his credit card or debit card by providing the credit card details to the salesperson. And now, what is an accountant? An accountant is someone who will have access to only the accounts part of this site. Now, again, the accountant and agents, both they can have access to the subdomain, and they can log in as from the login session as a partner. Contact us. Contact us is very simple. On your subdomain, let's say here on the subdomain, you have a contact form, right? So whenever any user comes and fill in this contact details and submits this form, that get listed here with the message and all the details of that contact form. So whenever you get any lead from the contact form, you get to see it from the contact menu. Payment settings. Payment settings here, the partner can provide his payment information. Like there are three different payment options are out there, like checking account, physical check, and Stripe. So whatever option they select, that will be shown there. Like physical check, they has to provide the user's name and address. For checking account, the user will need to provide the bank name, routing number, checking account number, and user's full name and address. And for Stripe, the user will need to provide the Stripe account number. So once they provide this, the earning that they have earned from their business owners, the admin can send the money to the business owners in that particular account. Analytics we have already discussed. Now let's see what is analytics is. Here you can see the list of analytics, like which user from which place in the world has searched the website and searched in which platform. Like this particular search was conducted in Google. This was the keyword used, category used, and the user was from this particular location, and this was the latitude longitude. So from here you get to see the analytics search report. Category search count. Under this menu you can see the categories which have been searched how many times. There are two options for this category search. You can see the lifetime count, that means how many times it has been searched in the entire life and how many times this has been searched in the last 30 days. There is another option for other keyword search count. The user may select among the available keywords in the website, but if they decide to select any other keywords which are not present in the website, they can select that also and search for that, and all the other keywords which are not present in the website, they will be listed here. Again, you can see the lifetime count and count in the last 30 days.